Coverage of the murder trial of 20-year-old Maya Hernandez continues tonight. The Visalia woman was getting a cosmetic procedure at a medical spa in Bakersfield, where she waited inside for over 2 hours, while her two boys were in her car outside on a 101-degree day back in June. Her youngest son eventually succumbing to the heat. The jury has been deliberating for a day now, unable to reach a verdict. 17's Connor Dorr in studio with us and breaks down what happened in court today. Connor?
Jim, a note from the jury to Judge Charles Bremer read the jury could not come to a decision on Hernandez's murder charge. What decision, or if they came to a decision on the other charges, is unknown. Those charges include involuntary manslaughter and 2 child cruelty charges. I sat down with Alexia Torres Stallings, a criminal defense attorney, to discuss what could be happening inside the jury room. If jurors cannot decide on second-degree murder but find her guilty of involuntary manslaughter,
Count 2 would ultimately be the charge that she would be sentenced to.
Hernandez told officers she left her car running with the air conditioning on when she spent over 2 hours inside the medical spa. However, she did not know her 2022 Toyota Corolla Hybrid shuts off after an hour of inactivity. She did not check on her children during that 2-hour time span, and her son, 1-year-old Emilio Gutierrez, died of heat exhaustion. The jury has to take these main points and a bulk of other evidence into consideration when deliberating on Hernandez's second-degree murder charge.
When a jury is finding itself in a position where they're deadlocked or they cannot come to a decision, there are going to be certain factors that the court is going to consider before ever going towards declaring a mistrial.
Those factors include how long deliberations have been going on, the length of the case, and any information that could be supplied by the court.
In this particular case that the court has already kind of given them their what their options are, and that way they can determine whether or not if any of these further materials could help them with their determination.
The jury does not have to reach a guilty verdict in any particular order of the charges against Hernandez, but Torres Stallings believes
what they are struggling with right now is in particular count 1.
Now, the verdict can come down at any time tomorrow, so stay up to date. Go to kget.com. In studio, Connor Dorr, 17 News.